A drop in the ocean is a metaphorical expression that signifies a small, insignificant, or minuscule contribution or action in the context of a much larger and complex situation. The phrase is often used to highlight the idea that the impact of a particular effort or gesture is so minor that it seems inconsequential when compared to the overall scope of a problem or challenge. The origin of this expression can be traced back to the vastness and power of the ocean. The world's oceans cover a significant portion of the Earth's surface and contain an immense volume of water. In comparison, a single drop of water appears almost insignificant and powerless against the vastness of the ocean. This analogy is applied to various situations to emphasize the contrast between a small action and the enormity of the issue at hand. In both personal and societal contexts, a drop in the ocean is used to convey a sense of humility and realism. It acknowledges that while individual efforts and gestures may be well-intentioned, they might not be sufficient to bring about substantial change on their own. However, the phrase does not necessarily dismiss the importance of small actions altogether. Rather, it encourages a broader perspective that takes into account the larger context and the need for collective efforts. For example, in the realm of charitable or humanitarian endeavors, someone might say that their donation or volunteer work is just a drop in the ocean when considering the vastness of global poverty or a crisis. This reflects an awareness of the need for systemic changes and more comprehensive solutions to address the underlying issues causing the problem. It's a call to recognize the limitations of individual actions while also encouraging people to contribute in whatever ways they can. On the other hand, the phrase can also be used to inspire and motivate. While a single drop may be small, the collective impact of many drops can indeed create ripples and eventually make a difference. In this sense, a drop in the ocean doesn't necessarily negate the importance of individual efforts, but rather emphasizes the potential for their cumulative effect over time. In conclusion, a drop in the ocean is a metaphor that conveys the concept of a small and seemingly insignificant action or contribution within the context of a much larger and complex situation. It prompts reflection on the scale of challenges and the need for comprehensive solutions, while also acknowledging the potential for cumulative impact through collective efforts.